everyone, this is Jasmine at Dalton Hyundai. I'm going to be showing you the new trailer mode that this 2026 Palisade has. Now, follow me. Now, we're going to go into our trailer mode right over here. You have your options right here. You have that default trailer. If you click on it, it's going to set the miles. You can also reset the trip info. If we go back, you can also add a trailer. So if you are towing, I don't know, horses or your bike, you can basically just change it right over here. We're gonna go back. You also have your checklist, so it's gonna tell you to just make sure that everything is installed properly. You can see it right over here. And also you have your settings right over here. So you can adjust the weight, if it's gonna be light, medium, or heavy. All right, and then your other option right over here is gonna tell you if you want notifications when the trailer is connected. And driver assistance if you wanna basically add it into your driver assistance. Thank you everyone for watching. Drop your comments below.